In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signers in Proposify. Let's begin by opening a new browser window and searching for Proposify. From the search results, click the official Proposify website, which typically appears at the top. Once you're on the site, log in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the Documents tab, which is where your proposals and templates live. Before adding signatures, make sure the people who need to sign are set up as contacts. From the left sidebar, click Clients to open your client management area. Here, select the option to create a new account. You'll see choices to add a new company or a new contact. For this walkthrough, choose Add New Contact so we can attach a signer to your proposal. Fill in the contact details, including the first and last name, title, email, office number, mobile number, and company. Accuracy matters here, especially for the email, since that's how signers receive their signing link and updates. Only include the information you actually need. You can leave any non-essential fields blank to keep things clean. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the contact. Next, return to the Documents page. Locate the proposal you're working on and click its name to open it in the document editor. In the editor, look to the right sidebar and click the Signatures icon. This is the pen symbol. That opens the Signature panel, where you'll assign and place signature fields. Use the Signatures for drop-down to select the contact who needs to sign, including the contact you just added. You'll see a colored signature block appear in the panel. Drag that colored block onto the page where you want the person to sign, typically near the Acceptance or Approval section. Take a moment to place and size it neatly so it's obvious to the signer and doesn't overlap other content. The color is important because it visually ties the field to a specific signer. To add another signer, go back to the Signatures for drop-down and select the next contact. Drag the second colored signature block onto the document in the correct place for that person. Repeat this process for each additional signer you need. As you go, double-check that each field shows the correct contact name and color, and that fields are positioned clearly and consistently across pages. That's all there is to it. You've added multiple signers to your Proposify document, and everything is ready for your usual review and sending process.